guys, this is me, JB Rose, singing vegan mum. Now, if you don't know who I am, I'm a singer, I'm a vegan, and I'm a mum. And this week I made pickled cabbage. Now, before I show you how I made this, don't forget to like and subscribe and comment. Pickled cabbage is really, really good for your gut. You can use it as a side, as a condiment, as a topping. You can do loads and loads of things, or you can just eat it raw. And it keeps in the fridge for 2 weeks. This is how I made it. Enjoyed it. Don't forget to like and subscribe. More wonderful recipes coming soon. Really great for your gut if you're feeling bloated, if you have problem with digestion. This is really, really good for you. Don't forget to download my ebook. It's fantastic. It's got wonderful Caribbean recipes. And don't forget, if you send me your email address to info@jbrose.co.uk, I have 4 free recipes for you. So guys, listen, for healthy vegan options, I'm your girl. I'm your girl.